Hey everybody, my name is Osmani Rodriguez. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. I'm in the entertainment industry, and this weight loss program has been life-changing for me. I was able to do a 40-day program within this weight loss. I ended up losing 34 pounds in 40 days, and it was I was totally shocked. It was eye-opening for me. I didn't expect to lose as much, and the surprising thing to everybody is that I didn't even have to exercise. I did the protocol, and the weight just kept coming off every single day. What we have in our hands is second to none. I have not seen anything out in the market that does what this program does, and so quickly, so safely, without drugs, without exercise if you don't want to. If you do the protocol, you're going to lose the weight and you're going to lock it in. And Dr. Ammon was brilliant in putting this program together. And whoever introduced this to you, you got to take a second look at this. I will always continue to be taking these products. And certainly being able to maintain my weight loss now. My weight used to control me, but now I control my weight loss.
We've been told weight loss is simple. Calories in, calories out. Eat less, move more. But if that worked, why do people keep gaining the weight back? Or worse, struggle to lose it at all?
If you've been struggling to lose weight, it's not a willpower problem. It's a cell health problem. When your cells are injured, your body holds on to fat. The key isn't another diet, it's restoring your cells so they function the way they're supposed to.
Excess fat is a sign of cellular dysfunction, and no amount of calorie counting will fix that. But the right nutrition and program can. RelivFit is different. It's a holistic weight loss program that prioritizes cellular health, helping your body absorb and use nutrients more effectively. This isn't another diet. It's a cell-first approach that resets your metabolism at the source. No starvation, no extreme workouts, just science-backed nutrition. No yo-yo dieting, no gimmicks, no drugs, no surgery. RelivFit is a phased approach that locks in weight loss, so your body learns to maintain it naturally.
We don't just want you to lose weight, we want you to keep it off for life. When you restore your cellular health, your body stops working against you and starts working for you. RelivFit doesn't treat symptoms, it fixes the root cause of excess weight.
RelivFit isn't just about losing weight, it's about keeping it off for good. Because when your cells are healthy, your body finally knows how to maintain a healthy weight naturally. You don't need another diet. You need a real solution that works for real people and lasts for life. Get started today. RelivFit, the last weight loss program you'll ever need.